Hello everyone there. Welcome back. I am Shweta and we are studying chapter 2nd, that is Introduction to DBMS. Today we are going to see the second part of our exercise solution. So let's begin. Today we will see match the followings. So these are the 10 match the following. Now you want to click the correct options from this. So here it is given date. What do you think? What will be the answer? To delete data? No, date is not for deleting. To extract data. With the help of date, we are going to display data or we are going to extract data? No. To create table? No. To alter table? No. To drop? No. It stores number? No. It is storing what? Date. So here comes your option. So date, the correct answer for date is stores date. Okay. So here I am going to write number 1. This is the correct answer of date. Okay, now the next one, int. Int stands for integer value. So it is going to store only the integer value without what? Without the decimal number. So here the correct answer will be which one? Yes, if we go through the answers, this will be the correct option. So int correct option is stores number. So here I am going to write 2. The next is decimal. Decimal says that we can write both numbers, that is with decimal point and without decimal point. So it is going to store the fractional number. So the correct option from this will be stores fractional number. So the correct option of decimal is stores fractional number. So here I will write 3. Next, char. Char means character, but it is going to store the fixed length character. Means if you are writing char 10, then the whatever name you are writing, if it is of less than 10 digit, then also it is going to store the fixed length. Okay, means the remaining space will be also there. That means that space get wasted. But in varchar, it will be using only the variable length string. That means the variable is of 5 characters, and even if you are writing varchar 10, then it is going to occupy only 5 character space and to leave the 5 character space, right? So character is, the correct option is stores fixed length string. So here I'm going to write 4. Next is varchar. So the answer will be stores variable length character. So this is the 5th option. Next is create. Create is used for what? It is used for creating table. Okay. So here this is the correct answer for 6th number. So here I am writing 6. Now the next is alter. Alter means what? It is going to alter the table. Okay, so full table is going to get altered. Not only data. Data यहाँ पे alter नहीं होने वाला. Data update नहीं होने वाला. यहाँ पे alter क्या होने वाला है? Table. अगर आपको name के field को change करके students name लिखना है, then you are going to use alter command. Okay, आपको field का नाम change करना है, then that time you are going to use alter. Okay, so this option will be this, to alter table. So I will write here 7. Next is drop. Drop means what? It is going to drop the full table. Means पूरे table को delete करेगा. Data को delete नहीं. अगर पूरे table को delete करना है, then it is going to use this. Then we are going to use option drop. Okay, it is going to drop the table. So here I am going to write 8. Next option. Next is delete. It is going to delete what? Data from the table. Table के अंदर के data को उसको delete करना है, right? तो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज डिलीट ऑप्शन. अगर आपको टेबल के अंदर के डेटा को डिलीट करना है तो दैट टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू यूज डिलीट ऑप्शन, राइट? सो द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस इज this one. Okay, you will write 9. Okay, now the last comes here is select. Select means what? To display or to extract data. To extract data, to display data, if that option is given, then that option will be of select. Okay, so here I will write 10. Okay. So I hope all this match the following are clear to you. Now let's move further and see 10 more match the following. Okay. Now try to solve before me. If you know, if you have seen the lecture, if you know it properly, then try to solve the answers before me. Okay. Now DDL. DDL means what? Data definition language. But in this side, you are not going to see any such things, right? So before solving this, what we will do? We will see what is the meaning of this data definition language. Data definition language means what things come in data definition language. Like what things can come in data definition language? If you remember, what is going to come? It is going to, yes, it is going to use a drop command. It is going to use create command. It is going to use alter command, right? Like create table, alter table, and delete table. No, sorry, not delete. It is going to drop the table. Okay. So all these things comes in DDL. So the correct option from this side, what you can see, DDL में क्या क्या आता है? Create table, create database, then alter table, then again drop table. Okay, so this things comes in DDL. So from this we can see only drop is matching. Create table is not there, create database is not there, and again alter is not there. So only this option is there. So first option का answer first ही है. Okay, so here I will write 11. Then the next one. DML. DML stands for what? Data manipulation language. So data manipulation language. So manipulation language, in that what commands can come? If you remember the commands like select, then you can say draw, delete will be there, update is there, right? Select, delete, update, such type of commands comes in DML. So from this option, what we can say, int is not there, this is also not there, grant is also not there, select is there. Okay, DML में कौन सा ऑप्शन आता है? Select. कौन से कमांड्स आते हैं? Select, update, delete, all these things comes, right? So this is the correct answer for DML. So you will write 12. Sorry, for this select. Now the next one comes is DCL, that is data control language. Data control language means all controlling things will come. Like we can say granting the permission and revoking the permission. Permission देना और permission निकालना. That two things only, that two command comes in DCL. From this side we can see only grant is given. So this is the correct answer. So here I am going to write 13. Now the next one, SQL. SQL is what? It is a structured query language, but it is a language of RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. So SQL, here I am going to write RDBMS. Okay. Now the next, insert. Insert is what? It is going to insert data in the table. Okay, table के अंदर आपको अगर कोई नया data add करना है तो I am going to use insert command. So the correct option is this one, insert data into table. Okay, so you will write 15. Okay, now the next one, update. Update means what? To update the data which is written in the table. Okay, if you want to update anything, if you want to change any data, so you can use update command. So the correct option is update data in a table. So here I am going to write 16. Then next one is birth date. Birth date. Now birth date, which option is correct? Yes, date. Date option is correct for birth date. अगर मुझे birth date लिखना है तो मुझे कौन सा data type use करना पड़ेगा? Date option, right? So this will be 17th one. Now the next one is percentage. Percentage can be 76.20, 0.50, anything. Percentage is in point, decimals. So the correct option, data type will be decimal, not integer. It will be decimal. So here I am going to write 18. Then the next option, next one is roll number. Roll number is never in point. Decimal में रहता है कि कभी roll number नहीं. So it will be integer. So the correct option is int. So here I am going to write 19. Next is, last one is name. Name, it can be, sorry, here by mistakenly I have written 18 for varchar, but it is of decimal. So I will just erase this one. Decimal is for percentage, right? So 18 is this one. And for name, varchar is there. If instead of varchar char is written, then you can tick that also. That will be also correct answer. Okay. So I hope this is also clear to you. This is also very easy. Okay. Now we will see some of the full forms, or this stands for what. Okay. So let us see that one. Stands for or full form. Means this stands for what, or what is the full form of this? Meaning is same, one and the same thing. So first one, DBMS. What is the full form for DBMS? From this chapter, full forms or stands for few of them are there. So that we will study today. DBMS, Database Management System. Next is RDBMS. It stands for Relational Database Management System. Then the next is SQL, Structured Query Language. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Next is DDL, Data Definition Language. Then DML, Data Manipulation Language. Next is DCL, Data Control Language. Last one, ACID. It stands for Atomicity, Consistency, Isolation and Durability. If the full form is asked of ACID, then you should know that it stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. So from this second chapter, that is Introduction to DBMS, you have to learn this 7 short forms or long forms. Okay, so this, what this stands for, you have to learn this much from this chapter. Okay. Okay, now let us see some multiple choice question of 3. Means if you want to select 3 correct answers. I have given 10 questions from 3 questions, 3 correct options you have to write. That we will see. So 3 correct answers. First one, data control language command is used to. So this data control language command, this is used to DCL, DCL. We are talking about DCL, that is the second one. So DCL, what is the use of this DCL? For what purpose we are using? For controlling. Okay, control user access in a database. किसको access देना है? Okay, हमें किसको access देना है, नहीं देना है? That is the correct option, right? Then again, see the next is, it is related to security issues. Yes, right. अगर एक्सेस किसको देना है तो ये सिक्योरिटी का ही पार्ट है, क्योंकि अगर किसी और को दे दिया जो इसको चुरा सकता है, डेटा को कोई स्टील कर सकता है, चुरा सकता है, तो दैट इज नॉट सिक्योर्ड। सो सिक्योरिटी पर्पज से ही हम लोग किसको एक्सेस देना है, किसको नहीं देना है, वो काम करते हैं। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज ऑल्सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। देन मॉडिफाइड डेटाबेस स्ट्रक्चर, नहीं, वी कैन नॉट मॉडिफाई डेटाबेस स्ट्रक्चर इन डीसीएल। डीसीएल में हम लोग मॉडिफाई करने का काम करते ही नहीं है। मैनेज डेटा विद इन द टेबल्स, इसको मैनेज भी नहीं करते हम लोग। डील्स विथ राइट्स एंड परमिशंस ऑफ डेटाबेस एक्सेस, यस इट इज गोइंग टू डील विथ राइट्स एंड परमिशंस, किसको एक्सेस देना है, किसको नहीं देना है, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर। सो दिस आर द 3 करेक्ट आंसर्स। Okay, so these are the 3 correct answers for DCL command. Okay, control user access in a database. It is related to security issue and deals with the rights and permissions of database access. Let us see the next question. Following are DML commands, that is a data manipulation commands. This also you know. Now only we have seen in the match the following, which is a data manipulation commands. If you know, drop आएगा क्या, नहीं, drop किसका पार्ट है, DDL, data definition language का. Delete आएगा, yes, delete is the correct answer. So this I am going to tick it. Then next one is select. Is select the data manipulation language? Yes, this is also the correct answer. Then is update correct answer? Is update correct answer? Yes, update is also the correct answer. Is grant the correct answer? No, grant is not DML, it is what, DCL. Grant is DCL command and drop is DDL command. Okay, so these 3 are the DML commands. Now let us say the next question. Following are DDL commands. Which are the DDL commands? DML हो गया, अभी DDL क्या है? Data definition language. Yes, create table, alter table, delete table होता है क्या? नहीं. This is the correct option. This is also the correct option, but delete table is the DML, okay, but not DDL. Okay, then drop table. Yes, drop table is the correct option of for DDL. Okay, so drop table is the correct option. Update correct है क्या? नहीं, update is a part of DML, but drop table is a part of DDL. Okay, so which are the correct options? Create table, alter table, and last one is a drop table. Okay, then next question. Following are the types of relationships. How many type of relationships are there? 3 type of relationships are there. What are they? 1 to all is the relationship? No. 1 to none is the relationship? No. 1 to 1? Yes. 1 to many? Yes. Many to many? Yes. These 3 are the relationship, but these 2 are not in the relationship. So I'll take this 3 one. 1 to 1, 1 to many, and lastly many to many. Okay, now let us see few more objectives, MCQs, that is 3 correct answers. Okay, so see here, following are the categories of SQL commands. SQL commands के कौन से categories है? See, categories or types of SQL command, which are they? Data definition language, that is DDL, DCL, data control language, and DML, that is a data manipulation language. So from this options we can say that data definition language is the correct option, data control language is the correct option, and lastly data manipulation language is the correct option. So I will tick that. Okay, this is the correct option. Okay, now next question. Transaction have following standard properties. Transaction are following standard properties. Transaction, we have seen the 4 properties, but from that 4, 3 are mentioned over here. Which are they? Yes, if you remember, acid property, atomicity, isolation, durability, and the one which is not written here is which one? Consistency. Okay, but these 3 are the correct options: atomicity, isolation, and durability. So I will mark the answers. Okay, so these are the three correct answers. Following are the different data models. Which are the different data models? If you remember in the data models, I have told you there are some data models like network model, hierarchical model, and relational model. Okay, so from this models, which we can say network model is the correct answer, hierarchical model is the correct answer, and relational model. So I'll take these three answers. These three are the different data models: network model, hierarchical model, and relational model. But from these three data models, the widely used data model is which one? Relational model. Okay. Now the next question. Date data type holds date including date data type में date होता है ये सबको पता है, लेकिन उसमें क्या क्या रहता है? Hours, minutes, and what you can say? What is the next option you can say? Month रहता है क्या? Day रहता है क्या? Year रहता है क्या? If you remember what it is, date में कैसा रहेगा? HH रहेगा क्या? Date के लिए, time के लिए होता है hours and minutes. टाइम के लिए होता है hours and minutes. लेकिन अगर मुझे डेट चाहिए, so you should remember कि उसमें क्या दिया है, डेट दिया है कि टाइम दिया है. Okay, so the correct answer will be what? Day. उसमें डे रहता है DD MM YY. ओके, डेट के लिए क्या क्या रहता है? DD MM YY ऐसा लिखा रहता है. टाइम के लिए क्या रहेगा? HH MM SS. So these two options are wrong. This will be for time data type. लेकिन day, month and year, this option is for date data type. Okay, next question. Following are the applications of DBMS. Applications of DBMS, that means where this database management system is used, where these applications are used. If you remember, we have studied it, where these applications are used. Yes, it is used in railway reservation center, banking system, library management, right? So these are used in all these three things. Reducing system नहीं, हमें सिर्फ बताना है कि कौन से applications में ये use होता है. So it is used in railway reservation, then we can say in banking and in library management. So the correct options are this, and this. So these three are the correct options. Now let us say the last question. DBMS stores data in such a way that it becomes easier to dash and dash information. DBMS stores data in such a way. DBMS data को इस तरह से store करता है कि वो easy हो जाता है किसके लिए? Information को retrieve करने के लिए, means लेने के लिए, then for manipulating the data and also for updating the data. So these three are the correct answer for retrieving, for manipulating, and for updating the data, or we can say information. So these three are the correct options for this question. I hope this is all clear to you. So study this also MCQs from the exam point of view. Okay, so this is all for today. We will stop over here, and in the next lecture I will start your practicals. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next lecture. Till then, take care, be safe and enjoy learning.